Hey folks, it's Mangrel, and I finally broke my Lumenier QAV-S MINI. For those of you who have been following the channel, you know that I've been flying this frame for quite a while now. And I do have a bunch of videos on this frame, from assembly to modifications and so forth. So long overdue to break this, and it finally did happen. So I'll give you the full flight video at the very end of what happened. It wasn't a particularly crazy crash, nothing really intense happened, but we did break the arm. And you can see that it actually broke from where the motor attaches. And it looks like it's actually separated all the various layers of carbon. So let's go ahead and see how easy it is to replace. The good thing is that all four arms are identical. So by buying an extra kit, you end up getting 4 extra arms. And that's what I've done, because right now this is out of stock. Both Get FPV and FPV Crate do not have it in stock right now. And they said it could be a couple of days to a couple of weeks to get back in stock, which isn't very helpful. But let's go ahead and replace this and see how easy it is to do that. So first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and just take off this tape here. So let's find the end of the tape. Let's take off the tape. It's just a regular piece of electrical tape. We'll probably reuse that one. And now let's go ahead and remove the motor. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and do a quick test of the motor, make sure that the bell's not warped, make sure it has no vibrations. So you can do that straight in your beta flight. So take off the prop, split up the motor, see what happens. Let's get that out of the way. And I think I need to remove this. So let's go ahead and remove that. And this should pop out a little block that holds everything together. Come on, get out of there. Yeah, that little block comes right out. And then we'll switch our screwdriver and we'll open up this one here. Okay, there we go. And now the arm should, yeah, there we go. It pulls right out. Yeah, so you can see what happened there. Yeah, you see kind of just like peels right back. It's as if there isn't good adhesion of the layers. This shouldn't peel back that simply. Look at this. Okay, so that's the old arm. And here's the new arm. So new arm should be as easy to install. So it goes in like this. So I'll just shove it in there and then get it all in. We'll put that one in first. Oh, actually, we should put a little bit of Loctite on it too. A little bit of Loctite. Oh, I see a little bit of Loctite. Okay. So just get started. Okay. Then we'll put the block in. And then we'll put a piece of Loctite, or I guess not a piece, but a bit of Loctite on this too. And this can go right back in there. Okay, so now tighten this. And tighten this. Yeah, that was actually very easy. No need to take out our stack, just 2 screws, and it popped right out. It can't be any easier. Yeah, that was pretty good. Now let's go ahead and reinstall the motor. And I've already gone ahead and done a quick test of the motor to make sure that it doesn't have any veer vibrations. Everything seems fine. So I only used 2 motor screws, so we'll get those back in there too. And then we could put our little piece of tape back on. So if you want to, you could put a new piece, but honestly, I don't think it matters. Get that piece of tape back on there. All right, and we're done. I think that literally took 5 minutes to do. You know what, as time goes on, I love this frame even more. So there you go, quick arm swap. I'll leave you now with the full footage of what happened. You can skip right to the end if you like, or you can enjoy the whole video where you see my poopy flying skills. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.